From there, I want, before we talk about duties, before we talk about duties and obligations of our citizen, tell me what is a duty. And it is a good thing that I'm teaching this immediately after you say that you've attended to your duty. You just attended to your duty, yes? If I ask you, where were you? I was attending to my what? Duty. So what is a duty? What is a duty? Anyone just to try, what is a duty? Yes, yes. Yes, a role that you have given. Basically, you just say it is a task. A task that you're required to partake. That is a duty. And duties as students, what are your duties? As a student, what is your duty? Yes? Kiburia, what are you saying? Your duties? Uh-huh. Yes. Mm-hmm. Another duty that you're supposed to... Yes, another duty as a student that you're supposed to take part in. Yes? Yes, to be in school. Yes, that is a duty. I told you any task required as part of your job, any task or a moral obligation. Yes. So it is your duty number one to obey the school rules. As a student, that is the first duty. You also have a duty to attend what? Classes. So you said it is any task that you're supposed to partake. Also, it is your duty to do assignments in school. It is also a duty that you should respect teachers. So the duty is to respect teachers, to participate in school activities. And for some reason you forgot about the science fair. Why did you forget about the science fair? It happened when you were on, is it on sports, on games? You also don't like going for drama. Why don't you do something about it? Because I'm telling you, it is your duty to participate in school what? Activities. Any school activity, even parents say it's a school activity. Also to put on school uniform, that is your duty. It is your task. To be smart and clean, that is also your duty. And to keep your environment clean also is I'm just giving you examples of duties so that you can understand now the duties and obligations of citizens. So as a citizen of Kenya, it is your task to obey and respect authority. That is yes, you're supposed to respect authority. Authority here, we talk about all the leaders. If you have a member of parliament, that is an authority. Any other authority? The president, yes. You also have a duty to pay taxes. And every citizen of Kenya pays taxes. It doesn't mean that you're employed by the government like me, that is when you pay the taxes. No. How other ways that we pay taxes is when you buy something, yes? Especially from the supermarket. If you check your receipts, the tax is what? Is indicated there. In all the receipts where you go, even the petrol station is supposed to be indicated. And if when you start now, you become old and you start working and you go to a foreign country, the other countries that don't have tax. For example, the UAE, they don't tax you. They have, I don't know, their government is so stable. They don't, if you go to work there, no tax. And the other countries, like when you go to the US, first you work, you're given your salary. It is not taxed the way we do it. The tax now, you're supposed to pay it yourself. Like you pay once per year. So if you get a paycheck, every time you get a paycheck, they get a paycheck every 2 weeks. Most of the organizations, every 2 weeks you're paid. So when you're paid, they don't take out the tax. But they've indicated somewhere that you're supposed to pay what? Tax. So after there's a time in the year that you're supposed to do your what? Your taxes and pay for them. So you pay for them yourself. It's not like in our country whereby if I'm getting a paycheck at the end of the month, they've already taken out the what? The tax through pay as you earn. But that is good, yes? Because now, if they don't do that, how many people here are loyal? That if you're paid, you're going to give the tax later. Yes? You'll tell them, I don't have money. That is now. That's why we are called a third world what? Country. That even the government cannot do what? Trust us that you're going to pay the tax, them first taking out the what? The amount. Also, another duty of a citizen is to respect other people's rights. You have to respect other people's rights. For example, you have to respect their what? Their life. Also, you have to care for the sick. Yes. To vote. You have a right to conserve natural resources or also national resources. To report errand members. It is your duty. If you see an errand member in the society, you're supposed to tell the law enforcement, or you make the law enforcement aware.